How to uninstall Riot Client in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can uninstall Riot Client on your laptop or PC. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you can do, the easiest method is searching for add or remove. Simply search for add or remove and you'll find this option that says add or remove programs. Tap on this and this will take you to your settings. After you're here, all you now have to do is go to the search bar and search for Riot. After you do that, you'll find Riot Client. Tap on the three dots right here. Then tap on the uninstall button. Doing that will simply remove Riot Client. So this was the first method. For the second one, simply search for Riot Client and head over to its file location. Tap on file location. And after you're on its file location, you can then, this is just a shortcut, right click on it again if you are prompted to shortcut again, then tap on open file location again. Then it will take you to this page, this local disk Riot Games. So go to this folder and all you have to now do is right click here and then delete it. After you delete it, everything inside this folder, including all of these, will get deleted. And that's how you uninstall Riot Client. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.